Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know that transferring assets between exchanges can feel a bit intimidating. Today, we're breaking down how to transfer TRX, the native token of the Tron blockchain, from Uphold to Gemini in 2025. This process is straightforward, but with the evolving crypto landscape, we'll cover the latest tips to keep things secure and efficient. Why do this? Gemini offers great security features and potentially lower fees, making it a smart move for your digital assets. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Gemini. Log into your Uphold account and head to the dashboard. You'll see your TRX balance. Double-check that you have enough to cover any transfer fees, which might vary in 2025 based on network congestion. Next, navigate to the Withdraw or Send section in Uphold. Select TRX from your wallet options. Now, switch over to Gemini. Log in and go to your wallet section to generate a TRX deposit address. This is crucial. Copy this address carefully to avoid any mix-ups, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Back in Uphold, paste the Gemini address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, review all the details, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security, which is a must in 2025's more regulated environment. Once the transfer is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on the Tron network. Keep an eye on your Gemini account for the incoming TRX. Pro tip: always use the official apps or websites to prevent phishing scams. And there you have it. That's how you transfer TRX from Uphold to Gemini in 2025. If you run into any issues, check the help sections on both platforms or reach out to their support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.